5,000 XRP sounds like a powerful milestone. For many holders, it feels like crossing into the elite territory. But is it actually life-changing, or just psychologically impressive? Does this number change your life? Or does your structure decide that? Let's dive in. In portfolio construction, many advisors flag any single asset above 10 to 15% allocation as concentration risk. If 5,000 XRP equals 15% of your net worth, volatility becomes meaningful. Above 20%, drawdowns affect lifestyle decisions. Exposure shifts from speculative to structural. XRP has historically experienced drawdowns exceeding 70% during major cycles. If XRP represents 5% of your wealth, a 70% decline reduces total wealth by roughly 3%. If it represents 40%, the same decline reduces wealth by 28%. Allocation defines consequence. On-chain data shows XRP distribution is highly concentrated. Roughly the top 10% of wallets control a majority of circulating supply. 5,000 XRP places you above many small retail accounts, but still far below exchange scale balances and custodial aggregations. Context corrects ego. Large XRP wallets often belong to exchanges holding assets for thousands of users. One address can represent aggregated ownership. Percentile rank therefore overstates individual influence. 5,000 XRP may rank relatively high statistically, but institutional wallets distort perception of scale. Interpretation requires nuance. For 5,000 XRP to equal $100,000, price would need to reach $20. With roughly 50 billion circulating supply, that implies near $1 trillion market capitalization. Global equity markets exceed $100 trillion. Scale influences probability. Across financial history, extreme returns are possible but statistically rare. Few assets multiply 20 times and sustain trillion-dollar scale. SPIVA reports repeatedly show most active strategies underperform broad benchmarks long-term. Survivorship bias highlights exceptional winners. Probability, not possibility, should guide allocation decisions. Dream value assumes extreme upside. Expected value weighs outcomes by probability. If trillion-dollar expansion has low historical frequency, allocation size should reflect uncertainty. Rational exposure scales with realistic odds, not maximal narratives. Capital preservation matters as much as appreciation. If 5,000 XRP equals 5% of your net worth, it represents optionality. If it equals 50%, it represents conviction. If it equals 80%, it represents dependency. The number itself changes nothing. The proportion defines fragility. XRP trading volume is cyclical. During strong market phases, daily global volume can exceed $1 billion. In quieter conditions, volume has historically contracted by 50 to 70%. Lower volume increases spreads and slippage. Liquidity risk is invisible in screenshots. Execution conditions matter. Holding 5,000 XRP is passive. Selling 5,000 XRP requires order book depth. In thin conditions, large market orders can move price several percentage points instantly. Even 2 to 5% slippage changes realized outcome. Execution transforms theoretical value into practical reality. Life-changing capital depends on exit conditions. In euphoric cycles, liquidity expands and spreads compress. In stressed markets, liquidity evaporates and spreads widen sharply. During past crypto downturns, bid-ask spreads widened multiple times normal levels. Timing influences execution quality. Market structure shapes reality. As value increases, risk exposure expands. Chainalysis reports billions of dollars in crypto-related theft and scams annually in recent years. Self-custody errors, phishing, and exchange failures remain recurring themes. 5,000 XRP shifts you from casual holder to responsible custodian. Security becomes strategic. If 5,000 XRP represents meaningful capital, custody choices directly affect outcome. Exchange custodians concentrate risk. Self-custody concentrates responsibility. Loss of private keys results in irreversible loss. Life-changing capital requires process, redundancy, and discipline beyond optimism. At 5,000 XRP, the conversation shifts. Excitement about price becomes secondary to capital preservation. Modern portfolio theory emphasizes risk-adjusted returns over raw gains. Protecting downside often matters more than chasing upside. Responsibility threshold marks transition from accumulation to stewardship. 5,000 XRP may not guarantee financial independence, but it can create optionality. Optionality means flexibility to reduce risk, transition careers, or buffer unexpected shocks. Even a 20% allocation that grows significantly can change life trajectory without replacing total income. Freedom often begins as margin, not escape. For most holders, 5,000 XRP is more credible as a supplement than a replacement. If it represents 10 to 20% of net worth, it can reduce pressure without dominating risk. Partial relief is structurally stronger than total dependence. Stability grows through diversification, not concentration. Capital significance compounds with time. If 5,000 XRP appreciates steadily over years, its influence grows exponentially. However, historical crypto cycles show high volatility, with major drawdowns exceeding 70% between peaks. Duration, not temporary spikes, determines structural change. Time filters noise from permanence. If 5,000 XRP equals 5% of your portfolio, its movement influences modestly. At 20%, volatility becomes noticeable. At 50% or more, it shapes financial direction. Percentage allocation, not unit count, determines impact intensity. Influence scales with concentration. Capital allocated to XRP is capital not allocated elsewhere. If global equity markets historically average 6 to 8% annual returns long-term, concentration decisions matter. Diversified growth may compound steadily, while single asset exposure fluctuates sharply. Every allocation implies foregone alternatives. Trade-offs define structure. XRP was designed as a settlement asset within payment infrastructure. Its utility narrative centers on liquidity and transfer efficiency, not guaranteed exponential appreciation. Viewing 5,000 XRP as infrastructure exposure aligns expectations with function. Speculation fades, structure remains. Utility anchors narrative. The real question is not whether 5,000 XRP can spike in price. It is whether it buys time. Time to think. Time to reposition. Time to endure downturns without forced decisions. Optional time horizon often proves more life-changing than temporary wealth expansion. 5,000 XRP can be life-changing under specific structural conditions. If allocation is controlled, risk managed, liquidity planned, and expectations probabilistic, impact becomes tangible. Without structure, the same number remains symbolic. Change depends on discipline. Fantasy focuses on one price target. Math considers allocation, probability, liquidity, taxation, volatility, and time. Life-changing capital requires integrated structure across all variables. Single-variable thinking amplifies emotion. Multi-variable thinking builds resilience. Sustainable transformation emerges from disciplined architecture. 5,000 XRP is not destiny, it is exposure. Exposure can create optionality, risk, or discipline depending on structure. Life-changing capital is rarely explosive. It is often strategic. If you want to explore the world of crypto, don't chase miracles. Educate yourself, because in this world, a simple click can change a life. But only knowledge can protect your future.